Hello, for today's STEM activity, we will make water walk. You will need 5 glasses, 3 food colors. Here I've used blue, yellow, and red, paper towel, and water. Fill 3 glasses half filled with water, clear water, the blue, yellow, and red, and then drop food colorings in these glasses. Place the empty glass between the blue and the yellow and between the red and the yellow. Place 4 pieces of paper towel as shown here. You will notice the water travels up the strip of paper. The water appears to defy gravity, but in reality it moves because of the capillary action. The adhesive forces in the water and the paper towel are stronger than the cohesive forces in the water. Do this experiment and tell us how long did it take for the water to enter the empty glass. What happens if you leave it overnight? And what happens when 2 colors mix together? Thank you.